Today, we have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and the screen is not responding to the touch. This customer came in 10 minutes before closing, and he was not in a great mood. He was really upset because he recently fixed the backglass at another shop. Fortunately, I fixed so many phones that I can fix this pretty fast. Luckily, our shop stays open later than most places, so we're able to fix this and return it to the customer the same day. So he has a fully functioning phone that is needed for work. When your personal phone is also your work phone, it can get really stressful when things are not working properly and you need it. Replacement screen has been installed and is fully functional. Another satisfied customer.